Hi guys, and welcome for today's video. This video is inspired by Julie Katz from Pouring Your Heart Out. You probably know her, so shout out to Julie. Actually, I'm going to try I think they call it ghost pour. No idea who came up with the name, but I liked how it looked. It looked pretty simple, so I might not fail on this. We'll see. And the color palette is inspired by Julie because I loved the project that she did with the dark brown, cappuccino, gold, so love this. And I have mixed a couple of colors here as well. This is my Artina Gold, my Anatina Cream color, the Artisa Pearl Deep Brown. It's a metallic color and especially the name sounds fancy, like a pearl brown. Never used this before. And a Van Dyke Brown, so a really dark one. In case you wonder why I didn't use Artisa paints for those two, reason is just I don't have them. So the Artisa Gold is just as great when it comes to the usage, but their color tone is a bit more on the cool side, so like a gold, you know? And the Artina Gold is more on the warm side, so as if there was a bit red kind of mixed into as well. So this is the reason why I opted for this one here, because I think it might look better compared to the browns. And when it comes to the cream color, I just did not have any cream color from the Artisa and I didn't want to mix it up. So I just decided for those from the Artina brand, but they work perfectly great together, so all good. Also I have this little swipey tool to make the little ghost kind of swipes. I have mixed silicone in all of these paints and there is no silicone in the white underlayer paint. And other than that, let's just see how this one is going to go. I only mixed a very little amount of color here, so I'm probably not going to overdo it this time with the colors. And as I usually don't have any idea what to tell during the pours, I just play some music again. Let you see what I do. This is probably obvious. And then make the final assessment when everything is done. And then again when it's dry. By the way, if there are some topics you want me to talk about during the pouring, so just random stuff, let me know in the comments as well. I will be happy to make that work for coming projects, but about the technique, you see what I'm doing. So enjoy this with some music and see you back when this project is done. Okay, so far this technique is super fun. I already like how this one is looking. I am thinking about adding some more of the browns here in those areas, just a bit. Let's see if this works out, to give it some more contrast. But I'm probably messing things up then. So for the first attempt, let's leave it as is. I'm going to torch it a bit just to break up those lines on the upper side a bit. And then I'm going to make another one for the next video, seeing how this one looks without torching it. So this pretty much is getting really celled up, so perhaps a bit too much, too disturbing, but I will see how this one dries. If it gives me more a ghostly look up there, and entirely how it looks. So I'm going to take another canvas, making another pour just exactly like this, same colors, because I still have a couple of them left here, enough for another canvas. And yeah, not going to use the torch then. So what do you think about the result? Too many cells, or do you like it? Leave me down below in the comment section what you think about it, and also give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Please make sure to have a look at my other videos, and perhaps you will find a video among them that will inspire you to try something like that yourself. So if you want to get in touch with me, all my social media links are down below in the video description, as well as the materials that I have used for this. I thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day, bye bye.